Good morning from New York City. It's Friday. Behind us, 42nd Street, our hotel. We're on 10th Avenue, heading towards Hudson Yards. Everything under construction in New York. Some things never change. The only thing that's changed really is that no one's moving into these commercial places. But they keep building them and repairing them. And a rare gas station sighting in New York, $5.59 a gallon. This is for when you don't have to catch a lot of criminals, just light criminal activity. Empire State straight ahead. Post office in the distance, but we're heading over to the Skylight diner for a little breakfast. Old school New York City diner. Look at that carrot cake. Here we go with the menu. All the goodness. They have an Anthony Quinn omelet. Breakfast. That was amazing. Skylight's right next door to St. Michael's. Now we've made our way down by Hudson Yards. This is all new to me stuff. So here's the 7 train. When we lived in New York, the 7 train finished in Times Square, but there is the vessel. And so when we're visiting, the vessel is currently closed actually. You can't go up in it. It's just, it's really bizarre looking actually. It's kind of like some type of alien structure. And we can walk around the bottom. There's shops and restaurants up by Hudson Yards across from the vessel. Still Christmas lights all around the vessel. Look at this. And lots of wind noise. So we're right off the water.
I'm so glad I don't listen to you.
I told Mary to just wear a sweatshirt today. There's a little bar over here, Jibs. This is hilarious. Here's another view of this monstrosity. Off in the distance, New Jersey. A little closer in the foreground, besides that traffic, train yards. This looks like a big blanket on the side of the building. It's keeping it toasty warm. And this is the shed. Right next to this. We're gonna check out the shops. Going to the big New York City mall. Do you think they have a Spencer's? Or Hot Topic?
Hot Topic.
Oh, Lululemon up there. Todd's. No sign of Rod, just Todd. Rolex. It's a lot of stuff that even if I can afford it, I'm not gonna buy it. Louis, Kenzo, Theory, Coach, upstairs, Stance. And while we go up, if you go down, Little Spain is there. We're ascending to the heavens, or at least to the 2nd floor of this mall. Wow. Lots of suits. Kate Spade. Anna. Uniqlo is here. Tiffany's is here. Love Pop. You need some greeting cards. They have the best in the business. This is a yoga democracy. And if you look out from the mall, this is your view. Like I wanted to walk over to the High Line, but my guy is literally floating. Like I'm inside the vest, I'm all over the place. Apple Maps sucks. Alright, also new to us is the High Line, which stretches across the west side of the city. Different exits. Alright, we're heading in. Nice little walk path, no dogs allowed. Here's a map. You are here. You can take this all the way down by the Whitney. We've got to go over towards 23rd Street for a side trip. Our main journey of the day. So this is kind of the side quest. Maybe they're both side quests.
This is cool.
You can live luxuriously on the High Line. Could you afford to live here? I know, even by looking at the building, the answer for me is no. That's where you guys come in. If you like this video a lot, comment and drive up metrics. Maybe I'll be able to afford here. And this is built along old railroad lines, so you can see the railroad tracks are still here. That's really cool. Speaking of rent, you could rent that building and overlook the Hudson. And then this building has an outdoor barbecue and some seating. And if you live here though, there's a park right there and a brewery right there. You can exit here. Wow, this building is crazy. George Rickey, some artwork. Here's the other side of that building. Wow. Back on course. There's these overlooks every so often too. Get a good snapshot of New York. And here's the opposite view. These overhangs here for the outlook. It's just super awesome. Look, you're like literally right on top of the city. Plenty of benches just to relax, soak in the quietness. You can go slowly or you can go quickly. More crazy looking buildings. It's pretty cool looking. Grass. Coming soon. This is 23rd Street and 10th. Some art pieces along the way. Big mural here. Thanks. The backside of religion. More construction up in the distance. Cars stacked 4 high. Look at these barrel-shaped window buildings. This is crazy. Alright, I think we're gonna reach the end of our journey on the High Line and head down at the next exit. Well, that went quickly. We already walked from 42nd Street down to 34th to get breakfast. And now we're at 16th Street after walking past the Vessel into the High Line. As you go by Chelsea Market, you get this overhang, but it is so super windy, like a wind tunnel in here. Here's a cool photo op. And I suspect if it wasn't so cold, you could get food and drinks and stuff here. Look over there.
Oh, wow.
And we're heading out. Now we're down by 14th Street. Diane von Furstenberg. Street. Alright, now we're at a point where we're just endlessly walking. None of this is congruent to what we just shot, so we're gonna call it quits for now. Thanks a lot for coming along. Thank you very much for all of your likes, comments, and subscriptions. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Have a great night, day, morning, whatever. See you guys. More random sights in New York. It's outside Macy's. They got a flower show display going on in the windows. Oh, look at that! Instagrammable. She's got flowers for her head. Instagram. This is pretty cool. I like the yellow. This has created quite the buzz. It's the better of the Instagrammable spots.